How to create consistent characters in DALL-E 3 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can go ahead and create consistent characters for yourself in DALL-E 3 in the easiest and most simplest way. So to create a consistent character, first of all, what you're going to be doing is you're going to make sure that the prompt you add is specific and it's consistent, okay, just like your character. So you're going to go ahead and write generate a 3D model of a man, okay? And you can go ahead and start describing this man. Let's go with curly hair. Then let's go with decent build, medium height, okay? Um, fair complexion. So, just like this, you're going to describe the whole character. For complexion, let's go with sunglasses. Okay. Yellow hoodie, black trousers, and white shoes. Tons of accessories. Make this character a consistent character, and let's say we're gonna go ahead and write treat it as a template that I will be using in the future. And you can go and write call this template, let's go with Bob. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and write that in. Do make sure that you use the picture tool. And what we're simply going to do from here is do make sure to copy this in the case that it does not generate a proper prompt for you. So once you have written this in, as you can see, it starts generating this model for you. And let me show you what it's going to do for you. Now, once you have added that prompt in, as you can see, it simply loads in. It doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, it's only going to be taking like 10 to 15 seconds of your time. And once all of that is done, look at that. So here is Bob. So now that this consistent character is created, you can go ahead and write now show Bob sitting on a motorcycle. Okay, and you can see that the prompt that I added, it's quite accurate to it. So we add that in and look at that, it's going to create another image. And if you have added the prompt correctly and asked it to create this person as a consistent character, then if we do this, look at that. Now that is extremely consistent. Now it knows that Bob is a template that you created, and now it's going to add that to any prompt that you've asked it to. So that is how you're going to be creating consistent characters in DALL-E 3. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.